Most budgeting apps feel boring, confusing, or impossible to stick with. But here's the truth no one tells you. Cleo became popular because it tries to make budgeting feel more like texting a smart friend, instead of staring at spreadsheets all day. In this video, I'll review the Cleo app in 2026, explain how the AI budgeting feature actually works, the pros and cons you need to know, and whether it's truly worth using for managing your money. Let's start with what makes Cleo different. Cleo is an AI-powered finance app designed to track spending, analyze habits, and help users budget through a chatbot-style experience. Instead of only showing charts and numbers, the app interacts with you conversationally. For example, Jake connects his bank account to Cleo. The app automatically tracks his spending, and might point out things like excessive food delivery purchases or unused subscriptions. That's where many users find the app surprisingly engaging. But here's the problem. Some people expect Cleo's AI to magically fix their finances automatically. That's not how it works. The app can highlight patterns and give suggestions, but users still need discipline and good financial decisions themselves. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cleo's AI budgeting feature tries to personalize advice based on your actual spending behavior. For example, Alex spends too much on online shopping every month. Cleo may warn him when spending spikes or suggest realistic budget adjustments before he overspends again. That level of personalization is what separates Cleo from many traditional budgeting apps. And there's another feature many people use: cash advances. Eligible users may qualify for small advances through Cleo, which can help during short-term emergencies. But this is where most people fail. They start relying on advances constantly, instead of fixing the underlying spending problem. For example, John keeps using small advances every paycheck cycle because his monthly spending stays too high. Over time, that pattern creates more financial pressure, instead of less. In a minute, I'll show you who Cleo actually works best for. First, let's talk about the downsides. Some features may require paid memberships, and instant transfers can include extra fees depending on how quickly you want access to funds. Also, users who prefer detailed investment tools or advanced financial planning may find Cleo too simple compared to larger finance platforms. And here's another thing many people overlook. AI budgeting works best when your transactions are consistent and clearly categorized. Irregular business expenses or freelance income can sometimes confuse automated budgeting systems. So who should use Cleo in 2026? Cleo works especially well for beginners who struggle with traditional budgeting apps and want something more interactive, simple, and engaging. The chatbot-style experience can make financial tracking feel less stressful and easier to maintain consistently. But if you already manage money carefully with spreadsheets or advanced financial apps, Cleo may feel more entertaining than essential. So is the AI budget feature worth it? For many casual users, yes. It can help increase awareness, improve spending habits, and make budgeting less intimidating. But it's still a tool, not a replacement for smart financial behavior. The real value comes from how consistently you use the insights it gives you. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your experience using Cleo. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing Cleo versus Rocket Money to see which budgeting app is actually better in 2026.